Hi, everyone. Welcome back
Hi.
to another round of phonics. And we are still looking at the R control vowel, but this time we're looking at the AR. And whenever you see the AR together, it's going to say R. What's it going to say?
R.
What's it going to say?
R.
R. Beautiful. So remember, just like we do every Monday, we start with sound by sound. So let's get started. Sound, sound,
R.
R. Blend it.
R.
R. Sound, sound,
R.
R. Blend it.
Car.
Sound, sound,
R.
R. Blend it.
R.
R. Sound, sound, R.
R.
Blend it.
Jar.
R. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
R.
R.
Car.
R.
Bar.
R. And
Jar.
jar. And can I get a thumb to your chest when you figure out the pattern or family that we're working with, or any other noticings? Miss T, I saw you go up first. Can you please let me know, what did you notice?
I noticed it's the R sound spelled AR at the end of each one syllable word.
Whoa, look at that. She's getting all fancy on us. Yes, it is one syllable. It is AR, and it's found at the end of that syllable or word. Wow. Okay, let's get started. Teachers, seriously, the same level, okay? 3, 2, 1, sound,
B.
sound,
R.
R, sound, blend it,
Bar.
R, sound,
D.
sound,
R.
R, sound, blend it,
Dar.
R, sound, sound,
R.
R, sound, blend it,
Heart.
Heart.
sound,
Ooh.
sound,
R.
R.
sound, blend it.
Heart.
Anyone, not Miss T, because you already did it. Miss Hernandez, what did you notice?
I noticed that they all have the AR in the middle with the sound R.
Very nice. Anyone else would like to add to that?
Yes, it's the ARK with the ARK.
Yes, so it's not just the AR, it's the ARK.
So it's a family, correct?
It is a family. So something very important that Ms. Hernandez pointed out, AR is in the middle, so it's a medial sound. But now we're also looking at ARK, ARK as the family. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at that next line. I'm sorry I didn't have you reread that for fluidity. We're going to just skip that. Ready? Sound.
R.
R. Sound. Blend it.
Heart.
R. Sound. Sound.
R.
Sound. Blend it.
Heart.
Out. Sound.
D.
Sound.
R.
Sound. Blend it.
Heart.
Start. And then sound. Sound.
R.
Sound. Blend it.
Heart.
Okay, we read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Art.
Heart.
Cart.
Heart.
Start.
Heart. And
Heart.
heart. And can I get someone to volunteer and tell me, what did you notice? Yes, Ms. Yakimowicz.
I noticed that all of the words have ART, which make the art sound, and they're also one syllable words.
One syllable, ART at the end. And wow, miss. Yes, it's the art family here. All right, remember, boys and girls, when we're at the bottom, you're reading it silently in your head. Teachers, what I'm asking for is to show me with your fingers how many words did you find with the R spelled AR. So teachers, when you're ready, students, when you're ready, go ahead and do the same. See if your numbers match up with the teacher's numbers. All right, Miss T started off. What word did you find? You said there are 3. What's your first word?
Barks.
Barks. Beautiful. Okay. Miss Yakimowicz.
Car.
Car. Very good. And Miss Hernandez.
Carts.
Carts. Very good. All right. Let's go ahead and read that over the 3 words. What is this word? Barks.
Car.
Car. And
Cart.
cart. Okay, boys and girls at home, you heard how those words are pronounced, so you should not have a problem reading the whole sentence. All right, teachers, when you're ready, 3, 2, 1.
The
The dog
dog
barks
barks
at
at
the
the
car
car
and
and
parts
carts
that
pass
pass by
by
him.
him. Can I have Miss Yakimowicz reread that for fluidity?
The dog barks at the car and carts that pass by him.
And Miss T, can you go ahead and scoop that out for us?
The dog barks at the car and carts that pass by him.
All right, and Miss Hernandez, we're done with decoding. What time is it?
Encoding time.
Encoding time. So boys and girls, grab that whiteboard, paper, pencil, whatever you need. And teachers, when you're ready, give me a thumb to your chest. And remember, if you don't need the scaffold, don't need it, then don't use it. Here we go. First word. And then boys and girls, if you need to pause so you can get all that ready, do so right now. And then unpause when you're ready. First word is par. What's the word? Par. P-R, par. P-R, par. Teachers, show me your work. Beautiful. Next word. The word is tar. What's the word?
Tar.
T-R, tar. T-R, tar. Show me your work. Beautiful job. Keep going. The word is mark. What's the word? Mark. Arc. Mark. Arc. Mark. Show me your work. Wonderfully done. Okay, last word on this column, park. What's the word? Park. P-arc. P-arc. Show me your work. Wonderful. Okay, now the next column, the word is mart. What's the word? Mart. Art. Art. Mart. Show me. Beautiful. Keep to that ART pattern. Ready? The word is part. What's the word?
Part.
Art. Art. Show me your work. Wonderful. Thank you. Keep up with the ART at the end. The word is tart. What's the word? Tart. Art. Art. Show me your work. Wonderful. Okay, last word has two consonants. Start. What's the word? Start. Art. Art. Show me your work. Wonderful. Last column. Ready? 2-syllable count on these. The word is army. What's the word? Army. R-E. R-E. Show me your work. Wonderful. Here we go. Next word is barter. What's the word? Barter. B-R. Bar. Ter. B-art. Barter. Show me. Beautiful. And what spelling is a review pattern there? E-R. Beautiful. Here we go. The word is carpet. What's the word? Carpet. R. Car. P-et. Pet. R. P-et. Carpet. Show me. Wonderful. Okay, here we go. Last word there. The word is farmer. What's the word? Farmer. R. Far. Mer. R. Farmer. Show me. And again, what's the repeated spelling from last week? Spelled E-R. Beautiful. Okay, boys and girls, take a moment to hit pause. If you need to go ahead and write the scaffolds in. Teachers, when you're ready, give me a thumb to your chest. And then boys and girls, if you feel up for it and you need that challenge, go ahead and write as I say or dictate. Here we go. Teachers, 3, 2, 1. The farmer, far, mer, farmer had to barter, bar, ter, barter, a jar, jar, of jam, jam, for a carpet, car, pet, car, pet. Show me your work. Beautiful. You remember to capitalize and punctuate, and you got all that spelling right. Pat yourself on the back. Job well done. And boys and girls, remember, it's good to try. Try your best all the time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you back tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.